Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Apple ID account on the web or opening settings and tapping your name on iPhone. Once signed in, make sure you have your Apple ID password and any two-factor authentication code handy, because Apple requires re-authentication to change payment methods. You do this to protect purchases and subscriptions. Without it, changes are blocked. Now navigate to Payment and Shipping or Payment Methods. This is where Apple lists saved cards and other billing entries so you can edit them. Once you're in Payment and Shipping, tap Edit to reveal available payment methods. You'll see credit cards, PayPal, or carrier billing. Select the entry you want gone and tap Remove or Delete. If Remove is grayed out, that means a dependent subscription or family organizer requires a valid payment method. Check active subscriptions and family sharing settings first. When you confirm removal, Apple rechecks your account. That final confirmation prevents. After removal, verify success by refreshing the page or returning to Payment and Shipping. The method should be gone. If it isn't, make sure you don't have unpaid balances, active subscriptions, or that you aren't the family organizer who must keep a payment method. Once done, sign out and back in to force a sync. If problems persist, check payment history and then contact Apple support. They can explain holds, pending charges, or account flags that prevent deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.